Hello student. So let's start with 5th standard environmental studies. So we will see children chapter number 18, no place for us. So in previous video we have in first video we have seen children that how Jethro was living in Khedi village very nicely. They were living together, they were enjoying together, they were living there with their elders, and from the forest also they were getting fruits, and they were selling wood from the forest, and they were catching the fish also, and they were selling it into the town, and they were getting money from that. Side by side they were enjoying with the all villagers, their elders, all villagers, and the children were also learning a lot of things from the elders. Then after that we have seen children that they have shown in the beginning that when Jethro came to Mumbai, so he have to pay everything over there also. Then after that we have seen as the being dam was being that people, some people were constructing dam in the Khedi village, so that all people have to leave that land and they have to live on the other side of the river. So they that all officers told that elders of the Khedi village that they will be getting each and every facility over there, school, then hospitals, so and the land also. So after that we have seen the people shifted, some people shifted in Khedi village, Sinduri village. Over there they got some land over there. So they went to Sinduri village. Over there we have seen in the second video children that how that Jethro's family faced difficulties over there. They were living in a very small tin shed room. Then after that they were not having any place also to keep animals. For tap was there, but no water was coming off, only for few hours tap water is coming. So in this way they faced lots of difficulty. After that we have seen children that school was also there, but the teacher was not taking much care of that Khedi village children. Then the Sinduri village people used to call them as all people as unwanted guest. So till this we have seen in previous two videos. Now after that we will see that some years later Jethro stayed for a few years in Sinduri. The children were also getting older, but Jethro's heart was not here in Sinduri. He still missed his old Khedi. But there was no Khedi now. There was a big dam and a big lake of collected water in and around Khedi. Jethro thought, if we are to be called unwanted guest, then at least let us go to some place where our dreams can come true. Jethro sold his land and his animals and came to Mumbai. Means he sold everything over there, and means his land also and the animals also, and then after that he came to Mumbai. Here he started a new life with his family. His only dream was to send his children to school, to give them a better future, a better life. So he sold everything in Sinduri village. He sold his land, animals, everything over there, and he came to Mumbai. Here too things were not easy, but he hoped that things would get better. Jethro started saving money to repair his one room shack. His relatives would tell him, "Don't waste money on this. Who knows, we may have to move from here too." In Mumbai, there is no place to stay for outsiders like us. Jethro was scared and worried. He thought he left Khedi for Sinduri. Means at the beginning he was living in Khedi village. Then after that, after dam construction, because of that dam construction he went to Sinduri village, and over there people were calling them as a unwanted guest. So he sold all his animals and land also, and he went to Mumbai. So he thought that we left Khedi for Sinduri. We then left Sinduri for Mumbai. Then after Sinduri, he went to Mumbai. If we have to move from here to, then where can we go? In this big city, is there not even a small place for my family to stay? So, in this way, Jaitra faced lots of difficulties. He was moving from one place to another place, but just like Khedi, no place he found that he was not getting much care from the other people. Then the other people were also means people were saying unwanted guest when he went to Mumbai also. So he was thinking that is there not even a small place for his family to stay? So in this way, Jaitra faced means lots of difficulty. He was moving from one place to another place. So at last, children, at the end of this lesson, we will see what we have learned. So like Jethra's family, thousands of families come to stay in big cities for many different reasons. Do you think their life may be better in a big city from what it was before? Imagine how they feel in a big city. So just think about that, children, that if people are moving from one place to another place, so what are their difficulties? They are feeling much better over a new place or wherever they used to live. So you have to think about it. So children, wherever Jaitra went, so somewhere people were calling them as unwanted guests. People were not trying to accept them. Then that's why the name is given no place for us question mark. Because Jaitra was thinking, is there any place wherever we can live with peace? Because wherever they were going, so people were saying unwanted guests. So we have to think about that people also, children, those who are moving from one place to another place. So thank you for watching video.